When working with large amounts of binary data, you may want to compress it to save disk space. The .NET framework includes classes that enable you to compress binary data using the gzip algorithm. To begin, open the .NET Expert project from your Sample Files folder. And open Files.aspx in Design View. You are going to add code to this page that will compress the uploaded file before saving it if the user ticks the Compress box. Now open the code behind file of Files.aspx and add the following using line to the top of the code. Using system.io. You are going to need to use stream objects for compression and decompression, so this namespace is useful. You learned about streams in Lesson 2.3. Now add another using line with the code using system.io.compression. The gzip stream class that you'll be using to compress files is in the system.io.compression namespace. Now you're going to add some code to the button upload file click event handler that will enable the uploaded files to be compressed. Replace the line new file.uploaded file bytes equals file upload new file.file bytes with if not checkbox compress dot checked new file.uploaded file bytes equals file upload new file.file bytes else. Now add the following code inside the new else statement. Memory stream compressed stream equals new memory stream gzip stream compressor equals new gzip stream compressed stream compression mode dot compress. The gzip stream object will be used to compress the file. The memory stream object will receive the compressed binary data. Now add the following code on the next line. Compressor dot write file upload new file dot file bytes 0 file upload new file dot file bytes dot length. This code tells the gzip stream object to compress the binary data from the file upload new file control and save it into the compressed stream object. You learned about the file upload control in Lesson 7.3. Now add the following code on the next line. Compressor dot close. It is very important to call the close method before attempting to extract the compressed data from the memory stream object. If you do not call the close method, the gzip stream will not finish compressing the data properly. Now finally, add the following code on the next line. New file dot uploaded file bytes equals compressed stream dot to array. New file dot uploaded file compressed equals true. This code places the compressed data into the link database object and marks the record as compressed. You learned about saving binary data into databases in Lesson 12.1. Note that as well as the gzip algorithm, ASP.NET is also able to compress files using the deflate algorithm. Deflate generally takes longer than gzip, but results in smaller files. However, this is likely to vary depending upon the file. To compress using deflate, use the deflatestream class from the system.io.compression namespace. The deflatestream class works identically to the gzipstream class. Test your code now by viewing files.aspx in your web browser. When the page loads, click Browse, then navigate to your sample files folder and click mailmodule.xml. Then click Open, tick the Compress box, and click Upload Files. The file is compressed and uploaded. You will learn how to decompress it again in the next lesson. That's Lesson 12.8. Note that compressing a file won't always result in a smaller file size. Very small files are likely to be larger after compression because of the additional information that is added when compressing. Additionally, some files already have compression of their own, such as JPEG images. Because JPEG files are already compressed, they are unlikely to reduce in size if you attempt to compress them. Close your web browser now and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 12.7, Compress a File.